Even with this tape, this unit still stays very glueless. All you gotta do is make sure you go ahead and press it down. Again, it's pre-cut, so I don't have to do anything. I'm not cutting anything. I'm not tweezing anything. It perfectly tweezed. It's perfectly fine. You know, a glam look like this is gonna eat it up all the time, guys. So as you guys can see, this is a gorgeous unit. There is tape on both sides right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the surface right here and then pull the tape off. I did go ahead and adjust the strap in the back. The unit is very, very secure. That nice drawstring in the back makes the unit stay nice and flat on my head. So what I'm gonna do for today's unit or styling, I'm gonna do a side part with a light layer and kind of have like a nice holiday look. Look at that 13x4, guys. They did an excellent job as far as doing the bleaching and the tweezing. So I'm not gonna do any of that type of stuff to this unit. We're just gonna style the unit and that's it. So let me go ahead and grab some alcohol wipes and let's get this tape off. This tape down, and then we're gonna start styling. All right, y'all, so I had to come up close to show you guys. So I did go ahead and pull off the cover for the tape. So I wiped everything off here because I want the tape to still be sticky so I can pull this unit off and put it back down and the air tabs will stay flat because the tape will still be sticky. So I'd recommend when you're putting this unit on, just make sure you clean this area before because the tape will always be kind of tacky every time you try to go back and put it on. So I'm just gonna arrange it right now, make sure that everything is in place before I like put it down. So I'm just gonna land it right here. And again, this is a pre-everything unit, so it's already cut perfect. Like, look at that. It just lays right down flat. So this makes it just much easier. You don't have to have these side air tab areas just flying all over the place. So I like the fact that they've done that for us. So it makes it much easier for us to just go ahead and style the unit. So as far as the side, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do baby hairs, but I am gonna go ahead and powder up the sides, line the sides up with a little bit of powder just to kind of make it more seamless. Cause you want it to, you want it to look real or whatever. So I'm gonna use some of my Fenty foundation powder and just kind of line the edges up to kind of go and melt in with my makeup or whatever. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this quickly just to get the whole hairline and everything nice. Again, it's pre-cut, so I don't have to do anything. I'm not cutting anything. I'm not tweezing anything. It perfectly tweezed. It's perfectly fine. So all that extra work, if you want to, you can, but this is a beginner-friendly wig. This is a beginner-friendly wig. So I feel like if you don't know how to wear a wig, you're just gonna go ahead, grab this wig and install it. And this is the easiest way to install if you don't really know how to do anything. You don't gotta tweeze it. You don't gotta bleach it. And honestly and truly, it's 2024. Don't nobody got time for that, okay? So I'm gonna keep it like that, but now what we're gonna do is go ahead and transition this into a side part. Again, I have my hot tools on. So we're gonna go ahead for like a little curve of a side part. Again, I just said I might do baby hairs, I might not, but I might actually just leave it like this. I feel like it looks more natural just like that. What do you guys think? But I'm definitely gonna do a side part because the side part be hitting for the holidays, like a nice little glam side part look. You cannot beat that. So I think this is about enough right here. So I'm gonna grab my hot comb and I'm just gonna spread that down like that. Just really get it nice and embedded. And then what I'm gonna do is go piece by piece just to make sure that the whole section stays flat. So you really wanna get your hot comb nice and hot and you wanna really go across that part. I'm gonna go ahead and do some light layers. You guys know I need to do a layer with this one. I'm not about to wear the hair like that. So I'm gonna do light layers in the front. We wanna kind of go for like a holiday glam look. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself like a nice bang situation going on here. And the hair is pre-curled, guys. It is like a nice body wave texture. So that's the best part about this one. You guys know when it comes to like glam looks, I love body wave texture because the hair curls absolutely stunningly. And if you're looking for like a holiday glam look or a wig for the holiday season, definitely check out Unice hair. So I'm just gonna give myself a nice layer in the front. You guys see that already. It kind of gave like a little bit of a bounce. Y'all know all my Unice hair wigs that are body wave are my style wigs like this. I love doing glam looks with their wigs. Their wigs are high quality wigs and their body wave texture is bomb. Just absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this side off too, just to give me more of a framed face, because you know, I feel like my face looks like a little bit, you know, since I've gained weight, my face has like a little bit of a rounded look. But I love to do layers because the layers kind of gives me like a little bit of a slim face, a nice chisel face. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and curl this so we can kind of see what we have. I think I'm gonna start off with this. Now let's curl this side first and see what it's giving. Let's see if the cut is right. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 1/4 inch barrel curler. And this is the Hot Tools one. I'll leave a link down below for this one. And again, Unice Hair Company's wigs, they curl so nicely. So I'm gonna do some nice kind of like soft curls. Even though this hair is already curled, I'm just amplifying the hair just lightly, just to give it a little bit more. Look at that soft curl. Just to give it a little bit more body. The packaged body is beautiful. It's gonna give me a lot of oomph, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more definition to like the top curls, just so that you can kind of see a little bit more definition in the top area. So yeah, so I'm gonna curl it and then I'm gonna show you guys how I curl this bang area. So again, I don't even wanna touch too much of this hair. So I'm just gonna grab this section right here and I'm gonna go ahead and curl backwards right here so I can get me a nice curl. So I'm gonna kind of leave that on for a minute and I'm gonna also curl like just this piece right here. And I'm gonna leave everything else alone. You see that? Look at how soft that lands too. So pretty. So I'm gonna curl this part right here back as well too, because I just wanted to go in that direction. Go ahead and curl this. And notice how I hadn't added any hairspray. I'm not adding hairspray just because the hair is so soft. Like I just don't want it to get like too hard. And I feel like it'll last. It'll just give you like a nice flowy look. So I'm just gonna lay off the hairspray for this one. I'm just gonna let off the hairspray, or I might not. Y'all know me, I'm indecisive, so I'll go ahead and comb this through with my hand, and then that's how it should come out perfect. Because I wanted it to be, you know, a little bit flatter, more realistic, in case you guys can see a little bit of that. Sometimes you'll be able to see a little flashback of that, but up close, it looks really, really good, y'all. See that? So usually, and I'm gonna say this now because I'm just thinking now, we're just thinking out loud, right? Usually I would have done a baby hair right here. Like I just, yeah, that little piece right here is calling me. Just to do like a nice little soft baby hair like that. We're gonna do it. So I'm gonna do the baby hair. I think I need to curve this off a little bit more though. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I feel like this little piece would just look nice as a baby hair right here. Like just a nice little swoop baby hair. So let me go ahead and move this because I feel like this section is not perfect enough. So I'm going to clean this up right here. And then we're going to do a little baby hair. Alright, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and just trim the baby hair to my best ability because y'all know how this goes. I don't know if this is too short. Hopefully it's not too short. And I'm just going to go ahead and curl it and then just lay it down. So. Alright guys, so for this side, I think I'm just going to pull this piece of hair out right here. And I'm not cutting it or anything like that. It's just still going to be part of the unit itself. But I felt like I wanted to go ahead and just add like a little bit of a separate, not baby hair or sideburn hair, but just like a little emphasis on the side of hair just to give it like a little bit of character. Again, I'm not going to like part it. I'm just going to go ahead and use my curler and just curl this little piece right here. Just for like a little cutesy moment on the side, alright? Just for like a cutesy moment on the side. So just like that. Just to have like a little cutesy moment, just in case I want to go ahead and tuck this part behind my ear. I still have like kind of like a fake baby hair, but not a real baby hair, if you know what I mean. So I think this looks absolutely stunning, guys. Wow. Do you guys, so cute. So glam, so holiday 2024. Let me just start off by saying happy holidays to everyone. This unit is absolutely stunning, guys. Like, Do you guys see this? Very, very simple. And again, I am a body wave type of girl. I love a nice high glam look that's very straight to the point. This 13x4 pre-everything unit is absolutely stunning, guys. And when I want to tell you guys how secure this unit is very, very secure. Now, you don't really need to use the tapes, but I want to show you guys the tape for the purpose of the video and kind of show you guys how nice and laid this unit is, guys. No glue, no spray. Even with the tape on this unit is very, very glueless. So you can take this unit off and literally put it right back down with the tape on it already. So even if you put this on the mannequin head tonight and put it on tomorrow morning, it's still gonna be very, very tacky and in place. Y'all see that? All you gotta do is just use a little alcohol wipe. Make sure you don't put any oils and makeup in that area, and the tape is gonna be tacky the next day. Voila. Just a little bit of tape. And let me tell you guys something, this unit is definitely glueless. Once you lift this up, I kid you not, it's gonna come right back down and lay super flat. So starting off, the construction is excellent. That nice adjustable strap in the back just makes everything very snug. They also added that little extender in the back as well too. That gives that extra glueless effect, guys. So you don't need to glue this unit down whatsoever. Of course, I did go ahead and I have to show you guys a little styling. Y'all know how I do. You guys know the holiday seasons are here, and I feel like, you know, a glam look like this is gonna eat it up all the time, guys. I have to give you guys a little sprinkle of red in today's video just to kind of, you know, bring the holiday season in. Absolutely love this one, guys. Look at this. Just very, very gorgeous, very, very nice. Again, I didn't do baby hairs or anything on this side. I kind of left this side plain just because this is where the bang is going. But I gave you guys like a little razzle, a little dazzle right here, you know, just did like a little curl and a little swig right here. But I think this is really nice, guys. You don't have to do too much with this unit to achieve a really nice glam look. It came with the body wave texture to it, so all I did was just amplify it up. That's literally it. Like, look at her. Like, look at me, okay? Just popping. Like, look at this. I absolutely love Unice Hair Company's body wave texture. They have nailed it with this texture. Every single time I get a texture like this, I'm always doing a middle part with waves or I'm doing a side part glam. Like, that's just my go-to. Absolutely love this one, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I did like light layers too. You guys saw everything. Just trying to keep it, you know, clean and fun. I love styles like this because I just feel like styles like this just look more realistic, you know? It just looks more realistic. It's giving bougie glam, bougie queen, bougie auntie type vibes, you know what I mean? So I absolutely love this style, guys. They will be having some holiday sales, guys, so make sure you don't miss out on any of their holiday sales. All the links and coupon codes will be left down below, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Happy holidays, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.